Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
If there is a plastic cover here, ours may be missing. Not sure, it's an older car. If you do have a plastic cover, it looks like it would clip into here and then up here along the trim. Just pull that down, get it out of the way, and get to your blower motor. The blower motor is located under the glove box, right here in the passenger footwell. There's a guard over the plug. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws, and then I can unplug it. So there's two screws, one in the front here. There's self-tapping screws into the plastic. Find the one that's in the back here. Just around the back of it. See these plastic guards coming down. Put that aside. There's a lock here, you can push it in, connector, and unplug it. Wiggle it out at the same time. Unclip the harness. Just pull it down, put that aside. There's three screws that are holding the blower motor into the HVAC case. You can use a T25 Torx to unscrew them. You could also use a flat-bladed screwdriver. There's a slot for it. Torx is a little easier because it doesn't want to slip out. Just unscrew these. I'm going to support it while I unscrew this one. Lower the blower motor right out of the case. It's our original blower motor from our vehicle. Brand new one from 1AAuto.com. It's an exact match, has the same 3 style mounting holes. Same style plug. This will fit great and work great in our vehicle. I'm going to line up this opening here. Put it right in place. Hold it up there. I'll get this screw started. It's closest to me. And just repeat that for the other two. Plug our harness in. Clip it into place. Install this little guard up here. That one started. Get the back one started now.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.